I know you guys want to see the money shot, so we'll check her here. Now for the money shot. Alright, so there she's out of there. At least as an assembly, it's all out of the Equinox now. So a big old hole there. And there's a 3-liter Knox motor. I gotta get pulled off that now. And then I've got out here, replacement motor. And that's out of a 2012 CTS, this motor. So I gotta switch over some mounts and stuff, and probably the oil pan, but otherwise, here's an Equinox motor. Yep. And that's how I got her out of there. So my jack stand placement was piss poor, and I ended up just strapping the front of the subframe back up to the car here, so I could get some room underneath of it to work. Huh? Anyways, there's that. Motor out. So things I think I'm gonna have to switch over, looking at it right away, is at least the oil filter adapter for that one. It's got a canister filter on the CTS, or cartridge filter I mean, and the oil pan too. So if we come over here and look at the replacement motor, the motor mounts are different. It was an all-wheel drive Caddy, so the axle shaft went through the differential, so I have to change that out. Say otherwise, hopefully not too much, but we're gonna see. So one way or another, she's going in there. And I got the motor in there already. So my camera wasn't recording. I already got the motor put back on, swapped in there, and I had the camera pointing at everything that I was doing, thinking it was on, and I went back to check that footage and it wasn't there. So I really do apologize for that. But to put the to get the Cadillac motor onto or into the Equinox, I just had to switch over the oil pan and I don't know if I had to switch the flex plate, but they were different as far as design a little bit. So I changed those out in the oil pan, and then you have to change out your water inlet and outlet and all that. But otherwise, I think it's all the same there. So we'll find out. So I do apologize again that you didn't get to see me actually changing them out there. Anyway.